Habai keren hi halor tau kenyang jingpang korona watla hadu kani kata yo bela lej ke sarkar la keren sai bahak kani ke jela Meghalaya ompat dan ki bayo e ke jingpang COVID-19 hanrei ke sarkar jela kamsim la Hastings ya kani bat klapen kre bani le persya ya ke jingwan poi jong ni kenyang jingpang ha kani ke jela bat ban kamsa su tungini sngap na we ni ki he sarkar jong ke jela halor kani ke benta
Hagaji kendo beginong patai kubor hagajan miet jongka katnyo trik mentau benai liber u commissioner bat secretary bakmi agatanat kakot kakya u Sampat Kumar uletho bak sarkar kalasyem ya bon kilat klenti benada na kajingwan poy kunyang jingpang corona syagane kejela u Sampat Kumar uletho bakum bakalong menta ke sarkar kalapet ngor bahai ki beriau ki bawan nabar kejela bat kamtam na syabar kari da ke bobu syuai ki hik observation ward baladan ki basuba bayo ekani ke jingpang laban pates hanegrims amau diang nalor kani uli thuru bak sarkar nalor bakla pensangi ashwash por yak yo khaput bat kari Bangladesh labur ka kenhon jigi doktor hadauki badalu ki badan ki khardop berung yami hapring kiri India bat Bangladesh lang bak surok nalor kani ketenat kakoi kakia hadu menta kalabo shispa artli ki isolation ward hakaleng kejela bal aji kairu ikinong tre jo ketenat kakoi kakia ban itu ikidak kisien lada suba ba uno ne kanu gebriau kiyo agene ke jingpang kentup ru ikinong tre jong ke GVK EMRI ki ba peniat ya 108 emergency service hagba ki briau ki basngo shitam atsngo artatien kila ban phone hu number iway not pra benetu ya ke jingsngo shitam jongki
when actually this particular coronavirus also has been detected in India, then again, especially some cases have been reported. So what we have said is that we have been asking the people who have been traveling from the affected places within India. Also, for example, a lot of students are coming from Maharashtra and all places. We are asking them also to notify the deputy commissioners through 108 helpline. And then they are also again observed. Basically, they'll be told do's and don'ts. Especially, they have to maintain that self-isolation for at least for 14-day period, so that and also practice this hand hygiene and respiratory etiquette. So this is a kind of a protocol that actually we have been put in place. So we have also been requesting all other people to cooperate. And also, voluntarily, basically we are asking them to notify. The one important thing is that they have to notify, where from they are coming. Suppose if they are coming from an affected place, affected country, they need to notify and take all precautions, so that they will not be, because the issue with this particular thing is that there is a there is a dormant period, there is an incubation period. So people, if coming from the affected countries, if they are carrying this particular thing, they have to be put in a quarantine. Quarantine means basically they have to, at least for 14 days, they have to be self-isolated, so that in 14 days period it will come out whether actually they have any particular symptoms are there or not. So that care, in fact, we are laying a lot of emphasis on that one, especially people who are having a travel history. They have to get notified. They have to notify. Deputy commissioners, through are monitoring this one in every district now, and there is a 108 helpline. In fact, we have trained all these 108 and doctors on this particular protocols, and they are guiding. In fact, they're also we also have issued instructions to the hotels, to inform if anybody with a travel history, who's coming from affected countries, they have to immediately notify through 108 to the district administration. So immediately district administration would go and do that screening and other things that is required.